Virtual data rooms have become essential tools in due diligence processes for M&A transactions, fundraising, and corporate activities. These online platforms securely share confidential information while maintaining control over data access and viewing. A virtual data room is a secured online platform facilitating due diligence, enabling external parties to review sensitive information. Benefits include streamlining due diligence, reducing data breach risks, and allowing multiple parties simultaneous access to information. When selecting a virtual data room provider, consider security and compliance, user interface, customization options, and reporting capabilities. Providers should offer robust data encryption, access tools, and compliance measures to ensure data confidentiality and integrity. To effectively organize and share information, establish guidelines and processes for securing data, setting permissions, and tracking access and activity. Data should be logically and consistently organized, with access permissions set according to users' roles. Monitoring access and activity within the virtual data room is essential to ensure compliance and identify potential security breaches. Regular audits and activity reports can help detect unauthorized access or unusual behavior patterns. Virtual data rooms play a critical role in secure information sharing during due diligence. By selecting a reliable provider and implementing best practices for organizing information, companies can protect their confidential data while effectively engaging with external parties.